In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change edit access and permissions in Google Sheets. Whether you're working as part of a team or simply need to share your spreadsheets with others, managing access and permissions efficiently is crucial. Let's dive in and show you how you can take control of your document security and collaboration settings. First, you'll want to start by opening the Google Sheet you intend to share. This is your starting point for all the steps. Navigate to the document in your Google Drive or directly open it with the link if you have that saved. Once your sheet is open, you'll notice a prominent Share button, usually located in the top right corner of the screen. Go ahead and click on this button. This opens up the sharing settings where you can manage who gets to see or edit your document. Now, you'll need to enter the email address of the person you wish to share the file with. Be sure to enter the correct email address to ensure the intended recipient receives access. If you're sharing the document with multiple people, you can enter several email addresses separated by commas. This will save you from the hassle of repeating the process for each individual email address. Next, it's time to decide on the type of access you want to provide. Clicking the drop-down menu next to the email field will present you with options such as Viewer, Commenter, or Editor. Choose Viewer if the person should only read the document, Commenter if they can leave feedback but not edit, or Editor if you trust them to make changes directly to the sheet. Once you've selected the appropriate access level, click on the Send button. This will send an invite to the provided email addresses, notifying them of their new access to your Google Sheet. You'll want to ensure that the person receiving access knows to check their email for this notification so they can begin collaborating with you right away. In cases where you need to change or update their access later, you'll begin by clicking the Share button once more. From here, you'll view the list of people who currently have access to your document. Locate the name of the person whose permissions you need to alter. Click on their name and you'll have the opportunity to change their access level, perhaps bumping them up from Viewer to Editor, for example. Once you've made the necessary changes, click on Save to update their permissions. This ensures that your changes are correctly recorded and applied. Managing permissions thoughtfully helps keep your work secure and ensures everyone collaborating has the right tools at their disposal. There you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you'll be able to efficiently manage and modify access and permissions to your Google Sheets, enhancing both collaboration and security. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found these tips helpful for your future projects.